My name is Monika Zagrobelna, and this is how to make a bake sale flyer using a flyer maker on Envato Tuts. Do you want to learn how to design a flyer? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a bake sale flyer with a flyer creator. Placeit is a flyer generator that offers hundreds of flyer templates that you can customize to your needs. And it's very simple to use. Go to placeit.net. Navigate to Designs, Flyer Maker. There are hundreds of flyer templates available, and each of them can be customized to your needs. But if you want something designed with your theme in mind, you can type Bake Sale in the search field. Once the templates have been filtered, pick the one that you like the most. This flyer template includes some patterns that you can use as a background. However, they're designed specifically for Christmas season, so if your bake sale has a different theme, you can upload your own pattern. Just click Custom Image and select your image. Once it's uploaded, change the size to crop the pattern, then click Crop. Give it a second to upload to the design. The icon above the text can be customized as well. There are many icons that you can use here, but it's also possible to upload your own. Do it the same way as previously. Upload your image and crop it. Let's change the text now. There are 4 text fields in this flyer template that you can use to add important information. Modify the fields as you see fit. You can change the font of each text field separately. Feel free to experiment here for a moment to choose what works best for this theme. It's also possible to change the colors of each element in this flyer template. You can make the whole design more consistent by applying colors similar or complementary to the ones used for the background. Finally, it's possible to move and resize all the elements manually right in the preview. When you're done and happy with your flyer design, scroll up and click the Download button. Optionally, you can use Placeit to create a mockup of your flyer. Just go to Mockups, Flyer Mockup.